I rarely stand before you and begin with a quote, but I must have spent too many hours with Senator Young this week, so I'm going to start my comments on my amendment number 7 with a quote. It comes from President Ronald Reagan. Ronald Reagan called the Earned Income Tax Credit the most pro-family, pro-work idea that has ever come from government. The EITC helps low-income families make ends meet, it rewards hard work, and it injects much-needed capital into our economy. My amendment restores the current EITC to the level that as it sits currently at 20% of the federal credit. It is my firm belief that this credit is not only a vital safety net to thousands of Michiganders, but also an economic boon to our state with a tremendous ripple effect in our local businesses. According to a recent report that was commissioned by CEDM and the Michigan Association of United Ways, the EITC puts more than $1 billion into the hands of Michigan's working families every year and produces just as much in economic activity throughout the state. In other words, for every dollar of EITC benefit received, $1.67 is generated in new earnings for Michigan residents. This amendment would restore this program to its current amount and tells our lowest earning workers that we are not going to balance the budget on their backs at a time when so many are already struggling to make ends meet. Some have asked about how this amendment technically works. The amendment removes Section 272 from this bill, so it would stay current law. It would be removed from the list of sections in this bill that we are actually considering changing. So I ask that my colleagues support this amendment to retain the Earned Income Tax Credit at this time when it's so vitally important to so many Michiganders, and I ask that my remarks be printed in the Journal.